So today onwards we can start JMeter class. Okay. So load run, you guys, everyone will be well, right?
Yeah.
So same way, one more like performance testing tool is a JMeter. So JMeter maximum we can do for the Java based applications. We can do for the JMeter. And as same to the JMeter is a open source tool. Means anyone can download it and anyone can do for their testing. So that point of view, it is a open source tool. But load runner is not a open source tool. Means it is a free of cost. You can download it and you can do for scripting. You can do for the performance testing. What are the things you can do? You can free of cost. You can do. But going to the load runner, if you want to do for the 2000 users, then you need to buy the license. Okay, so now today we can see the like how to download the how to download JMeter, Apache JMeter. How to download the JMeter and next JMeter installation. And prerequisites. So JMeter elements. So we need to do for the performance testing means we need for the tool. What is that tool? It's a JMeter. So open source tool, anyone can download it, and this is the Java based tool. So if you are doing for the any kind of web application that is developed in Java, so those scripts we can do for the web or web services scripting means we can using for the JMeter, we can do the performance testing. First point, how to download the JMeter, Apache JMeter. So we'll open the Google, okay, and here you can just type for the Apache JMeter, download for Windows, whatever maybe you can click on that, and you can observe everyone able to see right properly. Download Apache JMeter. You can click on this, and this is the official website for the JMeter point of view. So this is the Apache JMeter, and we are able to see the here Apache JMeter 5.5. So you can observe require Java 8 plus. So if you want for this JMeter, you want to run your scripts in JMeter, you must need for the require Java 8 plus. Means Java also need and assume to that version 8 plus, more than 8 plus version you need. So here we can observe we have the binaries will be there, source will be there. So which file I want to like uh, download it and I can use means we can using for the binaries, and here Apache JMeter 5.5 you need to download it. If you click on this, automatically it is downloaded. So once we can download it, right, we can go to the folder. Already I downloaded JMeter. So thinking downloads or documents. So Apache JMeter. Yeah, see, this is the Apache JMeter. So see, if you like download it, it is coming from the actually zip folder like this. This is the zip folder. When you are download that folder, it will like it's a zip folder. You need to extract this. Okay, once you can extract this, we are able to see the JMeter like this. So this file you can keep from the download or documents anywhere you can keep. So here we don't have any installation, nothing, but we are no need to do for the how we are doing for the in load runner, right? So no need to do for the installation. Just you can extract, that is fine. Okay. Now before going to the open the JMeter, we need check for the in our system. If it is Java is available our system or not, you need to check. So how to we can check means you can go to the command prompt. Okay. Uh, we can go to the command prompt. Command prompt, just you can type from the Java. See, you are getting like this means in your system Java will there. If you are not getting like it is a command is not correct, it is a internal, it is not a internal outside. You are getting like this means so your system Java is not there. You need to understand. See, you can observe in my system Java, I type Java and what are the things already it is everything will be there. It is Java is available. It is showing. I want for you want for the particular version of Java also. We can type for the Java space version. Then it is a display for the Java version also. You can observe here Java version is a 1.8. This is the runtime waiver and build. This is the means in your system Java available. It will show. If it is not there, you will get for the for example, so I will enter wrong. You will get like this. This Java is not a recognized internal external command. You will get if in your system Java is not available. So just to type Java and check in my system is Java available. So if your system Java available only, we are able to do for the performance testing using for the JMeter tool. It's clear everyone? So now go to the JMeter and once we can download it after extract this, we are able to see the Apache JMeter. So open that file. In this file, we have the different type of folders will be there. Backup, bin, all will be there. So we want to open JMeter means we need to go to the bin folder. Here we can see for the Apache JMeter. So if you open this, it will open. In your system, is Java is not there. You are unable to open the Apache JMeter. And as if you need to check for the as per our Java, which version we need, that version you need to need for the this particular version Apache JMeter 5.5. So that is also important in my system, which version it will be there. Okay, this is fine or not also we need to check. So these all will be very important things. So because maybe you got any project from the JMeter, no one will give for the, okay, this is the software, this is the Java something, no one will give. So that is why scratch onwards I'm explaining. So how to we can start from the like first you need to download for the Apache JMeter and after that you need to check from the in my system Java is available or not. You need to check. If it is available, then we need to open for the Apache JMeter. So where we can able to see once we can extract a file, there we can see the bin folder. There we are able to see the Apache JMeter. So just open this. See, you can observe Apache JMeter. So if you open load runner, right? Load runner, we have the components, but here we have only one thing, Apache JMeter. In this only we have all things, execution, all things we are able to see there. So this is the JMeter. It is like it's a bat. If you open this, it will be look like this. It will be look like this. Now here, if we want to record any web scripts, you can record or you can do for the web server testing, we can do. But here you can observe where we can record exactly, we don't know anything. So now coming to the notepad and what steps we covered in this, we'll see. Okay. See how to download JMeter is completed, JMeter installation and prerequisites. So this is also important. So and JMeter elements. So how we have the we use an controller, analyzer, agent process. Same way JMeter also we have the elements. What are those elements means? Test plan. Test plan. And same to the thread group. Thread group. And same to the we have the like many components we have HTTP test script recorder. So these all will be, we have the elements. We have the lot of elements will be there. We'll discuss one by one. So just I will give for the overview today. So first thing, once we can open for the our JMeter, right? Just you need to, we have the some skeleton will be need template. So just you can click on for the template. And here it is a template. We have the some drop downs will be there. There you need to select for the recording because we are doing for the web application recording. So that is why you need to select for the recording. And once you can select the recording here, you need to click for the create. And there we need to give for the exactly host. So for now, I'm not giving anything. Just this is the script name, recording XML. So if you give for the anything is fine. Sample script. Okay, I give a name as sample script. So XML and after that just create button. See, starting only it is a test plan will be there. Now we can observe is HTTP request details. That is also one of the element and HTTP cookie manager. Cookies point of view, actually JMeter itself automatically will handle the cookies. So that is why you need to give for the HTTP cookie manager. Thread group. Thread group nothing but it's a controller. So how many users I want to test and I want to duration you want to miss, you need to check this. How much duration I want to execute. So in actual normal ways, virtual users we can call it. Threads also nothing but it's a one thread, three thread, nothing but it's a number of virtual users and ramp up and other users will gradually increasing the load. So these are all steps, nothing but it's a thread group, nothing but it is a controller. Okay. And if we expand this, here we can see the, in the thread group, we have the recording controller will be there. So we want to script to record means where we can record means in the thread group only, we need to record for the our script. If you are doing for the any kind of application, that could be banking, insurance, or healthcare domain, otherwise e-commerce application, any social site, website, anything, if you want to record in the thread group only, we need to record. So how to we can record, we'll see. View result stream is, it is a analyzer. How the results we can analyzing the in our right in load runner. Same way using for the view results tree, that is also one of the element. Using that element, we can see the our results. During the test, you can monitor here, and after the test also you are able to see the your results here. And after that, one more, this is the HTTP test script recorder. So by default, this is the disable. You need to enable means just click for the enable and you can expand this and you can observe. So we can record the script means we are recording for the HTTP traffic only, right? So where we can write HTTP test script or you need to select that. There you can observe, just you can start recording. Automatically your recording will be start. Here one thing is important. We are not giving for the any URL for here. You need to open the browser and you need to do for the recording. In the HTTP test script recorder, so here, if you want to record means some prerequisites are very need for the JMeter. So in load runner, right, we are just installing the software. If you click record button and you need to give for the URL, and after that automatically the browser will invoke and it will open for our application and you can record for the manual. But here we don't have that much of feature here. We need to do for some settings, prerequisites will be needed. What are the prerequisites means? So we need to set up the we need to set up the proxy. Proxy nothing but it's a port number. Okay, and it is a local host means you can give for the local host. So these two we need to set for the proxy. If you not set the proxy, you are unable to record the script. Because how we are communicating here means using for this proxy settings. Where we can do for this proxy setting, we can do for in our JMeter, as well as we need to do for in Chrome or which browser you are doing. You want to record the script, you need to that browser we need to set the proxy. Okay, so you can observe here you are given for the port number 8888. In browser also you need to set for that port is 8888. Okay, and here you can observe target controller. Where you want recording the script, use recording controller. See here recording controller means what is the script you are recording, that everything is recorded in the recording controller. And here, so put each group in a new transaction controller. In this group, you want to keep in the transactions, launch, login, click on something, and log out. All things you want to separate transaction control, you can select. Otherwise, you need to select for the which format which we do want, you need to select for that. Okay. Do not group a sampler, you need to select means you can select that also. Now I selected a put each group. So this is the prerequisites, and we'll go to the browser. Okay, for example, we'll go to the browser, go to the settings. Here we need to set for the proxy means you need to search with the proxy settings. Everyone able to see it? Open this. So here you can observe proxy. So we are setting the proxy. So when you are set up the proxy, right? If you open for the another URL, you are unable to open because you are doing for the proxy. Okay, I want to open this URL only. You are doing for the proxy. So that is why what we can do means manual proxy setup, because we need to do for the manually. You need to enable this, and here you need to give for the local host. Here you need to give for the like port number. For example, for in your JMeter, you are given as a port 8888, you need to give for that. Maybe you are given 8080, you need to give for that. Maybe you are given 443, means which port number you are given in the tool, and the same port number you need to configure in the browser also. So now 8888 and everything is done. Then just you can save this. So you can go here, and again you want to check this, it is done or not, you can check. Again go to the settings and cross checking, just we are done proxy, it is done or not, you can check. Okay, you can observe. Yeah, we are manually proxy we are enabled, and everything port is given, automatically detect we can enable, and we can do. So this is the way we can do for the proxy setting. So now we can close this all and we'll open a new window. Now we can open any file, like I am opening for the web YouTube. See, can't to the internet because you are already proxy, right? So which port you did, right? When you are recording only, you are able to open from the URL here. Once you did for the proxy, you are unable to open for the any one of the URL. So this is the first prerequisite. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So now second one. So go to the Apache JMeter folder.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, please.
So every time will we use the same option while selecting the grouping?
Yes. Every time we can do the same thing. And when you are recording time only need for the proxy. After recording is completed, you can remove. Okay.
And the grouping also we have 2 to 3 options, right?
Yes. We need to select anything is fine. Means it is asking from the like in the group, right? Here only, right? You're asking, you're telling.
Yeah.
So where you want to record per particular, what are the steps you are recording, right? Put each group in a new transaction controller. So in the recording controller, what are the steps you are doing, right? Each will be, you want different, you can select that. If you want grouping is a do not grouping, then each and everything is recorded in the within the one transaction like that only. Okay. Otherwise, you can
If we
put
choose
each
do
group
not
as in. Sorry.
If we use the first option, do not group, will it create a new group every time?
Yeah, do not to group nothing but what will happen. So we didn't get for the number of groups, and it is in the within the one group only it is created for the all things. Like you didn't get for the each transaction, launch, login. All the request will be within that only it is recorded in the recording controller. Do not group you can select.
Can you execute and show the difference? I'm not
Yeah,
understanding why.
we'll see. Okay, we are just is initial section only, right? Each and every option also we'll see and we'll know. Okay.
Okay.
So first prerequisites will be we need setup from the proxy. Okay, that is fine. Then next step will be go to the our folder, JMeter folder. Here you can observe Apache JMeter temporary root CS certificate will be there. So we need to import from the browser root CS certificate. So when you are first time, right, you are unable to see for this all root CS certificate. So how to it will generated means once you can click on start button and click on OK, then it is automatically it will generated from the in this folder. And one more thing, this root CS certificate every 1 week it is expired. So you need to update from the every 1 week. Otherwise, you are unable to record the script. So update nothing but nothing you can do. Just click start button. See, for example, now you can observe. So what date it's showing? 3/9/2023. So this is the past date. So now you can just click for the start. See here you can observe root certificate temporary created in the bin directory. If you click OK, so it is a recording will start. That is fine. Recording will do later. Okay, we'll go to the folder. Now you can see here, so current date is updated or not. Everyone able to see?
Yeah, yes.
It is
Yes, it got
updated with the current date. Okay. So means every time you want to, every 1 week it is expired actually this root CS certificate. So if you want to continue your scripting for the every week, after 1 week also you want to continue, I want to record the scripting means you need to import from the Apache JMeter temporary root CS certificate. If you not imported, you are unable to record the script. So now how to we can import from the root say certificate. You can open from the any one of the browser, Internet Explorer or anything, you can open that. So any one browser you can write, you can open every browser also it is applicable. So that is why you can like import from the anywhere, internet or anywhere. Okay. So we'll go to the settings. Search from the like certificate manager. See manage certificate, open that. Here we can see the like trusted root certificate. We need to import from the there trusted root CS certificate. Already you can observe JMeter root CS certificate already there, but it is already expired. Everyone able to see? So now
Yeah.
we need to import from the like what is the, we are updated through our JMeter, right? You need to import that. You can click on import and click on next and click on browse, and in the bin folder only we need to select from the what again? Load runner.
This is load runner.
Sorry. JMeter and the bin folder, and this is the root say certificate. You can observe it is updated date. If you open this and click on the next and click on finish, and now we can, it is asking for the S. Do you want installation? S. Import is successfully. Now we can observe expire date update will show 6/12 means 1 week. It is a expire of this root say certificate. So after that is completed, you can close this. Now all setup is done. Okay. So now prerequisites is completed. What are the two prerequisites we did? Set up the proxy and
Import the certificate.
Root CS certificate.
import the root CS certificate. Okay. So these two prerequisites, if you want record script means you need to do for these two prerequisites. And going to the elements, right? Elements nothing but this test plan is the one of the element. What is the test plan? Nothing but it is like parent of the all the elements, because in the test plan only you can this, you can just click it this, everything is including the test plan. So if you click this user defined variable and HTTP request default, this is also one of the element. HTTP cookie manager and thread group and recording controller, view results tree, and HTTP test script recorder and view results tree. This all also we are concentrated as a these all will be JMeter elements. Apart from this, we have the another also. So if you click for the right button and add, we are able to see the lot of samplers and logic controller, preprocessor, post processor, assertions, timers, config element. So this all also we can consider as a JMeter elements. Okay, when we can use this all also we can discuss. Okay, that is fine. Now just will record for the sample script. Okay, just everything is done. What are the steps I done? Everything is completed. Like all prerequisites will be completed. Now we need to record means. So you need to open one browser. Just you can open browser, any one of the browser, and now click for the start scenario, and you need to copy the URL. Which URL you want to test? For example, I am testing from the Pestor application. This is the Pestor application. So now go to the here, just click for the start scenario and click on OK. Now we are recording started. Now you can observe here it is asking for the transaction name. Open this browser and give for the transaction name. Which transaction we are doing? Launch URL. Okay. And now you need to give for the URL and you can launch.
Do we need to mention in domain the URL? Not needed. Huh?
Not needed. Directly we need to give from the browser only.
Okay. Port number automatically it will generate it, right?
Yes. Actually, what will happen, right? We are giving for the communication only, the port number. Okay. So the port
Which should
number
be
it
matched
will
with the
communicate.
proxy.
Yes, it will should be matched with the proxy, and we are able to record the script.
Okay.
What happened? This URL some issue will be there. Yeah, so yeah. Now launch is done, and you can go here, and we are able to check here also. We are able to recording or not. You can observe. See, it is recorded. Okay. Again, go to the now transaction next to what? Login. And click for the sign in. So here we don't have any end transaction. Okay. And the next password. Sorry, username password. Click for login. See, login is successfully completed. Next, select product. Any one of the product. Okay. So after that, log out I'm doing. I'm not booking. Okay. We'll see later. Just I'm recording how we can record everything. I show now sign up. So this business flow I recorded, and recording is completed. Just stop it. So now recording is completed. Go here, and here you can observe the recording controller you are selected. That is why it is a target controller. In that we are using as a put each group as a new transaction controller. See for here everything is recorded. And login, select product, everything is recorded. So in load runner, like in JMeter, right? Like load runner, we have the some once we can record the in the recording report, we are able to see the some junk data. So we need to uncheck and we can delete. But here we don't have that much of facility. So we need to check for the manually, this is my URL or not, you need to check. So for example, you need to expand this and click on this. You can observe this is the HTTP and something, we don't have anything is there. So you can remove this. And after that, you can check for the launch, expand this and select the launch. And you can observe this domain is same that, like you can observe beancons jcp.in. This is our URL. No, right?